Please join me for my presentation on critical chain applied to Aeronautical MRO that I'll be giving on the 18th of January 2022. I will begin by pointing out that it is already quite widely used in the world. For instance, the largest military users is the US Air Force, with the largest fleet of aircraft in the world, and in commercial aircraft many users including Delta Airlines, Lufthansa, Air France. I will describe the main challenges facing MRO in terms of planning and scheduling in this uncertain environment, the problem of visibility with regards to the end dates when the aircraft will go back online, the problems of full kitting of the mechanics, and of course dealing with the findings that you will discover as you go along during the work. And then I will present how the critical chain approach deals with these different challenges. For example, among other things, I will describe the different way of planning work, where work is much more focused, and where we use optimistic durations for the individual tasks, and yet we compensate for this with buffers in the appropriate points so that you're actually moving a lot faster and also a lot more reliable with regards to meeting your end dates. We'll of course be presenting the iconic fever chart, which enables you to dynamically determine the priorities in your hangar between your various airplanes depending on the problems you might have had in execution. And to conclude, I'll be presenting some case studies from around the world. So please join us for that presentation on the 18th of January. It's on demand, online, no time constraints, and it's free for the first 1,000 people. As I speak, there are about 500 free seats left. So don't wait. Go to criticalchainconference.com and sign up for those and more. And I'm just one of the 24 speakers during that conference. So if you want to learn a lot about critical chain, join up to this unique event. It's free for the first 1,000 people. See you there. Bye.